Hey everyone, I'm excited to introduce you to a game-changing app called Gnown. If you're into following influencers and earning rewards, this app is for you. What is Gnown? Gnown is a unique platform where you can follow your favorite influencers and earn valuable points in return. These points can be redeemed for amazing gift cards from your favorite brands. It's a win-win for both users and influencers. As a user, you get to discover and follow influencers who inspire you. Earn points simply by following influencer accounts listed on the Gnown platform. Redeem your points for gift cards to treat yourself or your loved ones. Influencers. Gnown is your opportunity to boost your profile. List your profile on Gnown to attract more followers who genuinely admire your content. Engage with your followers, and reward them with Gnown points. Download the Gnown app or use the web version for free. Sign up and start following all influencers. Redeem your points for fantastic gift cards. Become a part of our growing community of influencers and followers. Get started today and turn your influence into rewards with Gnown.